everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all a beef kebab skewer. So I'm first going to start out by drawing the top of the skewer. Round it up. And then stop it away. The next thing I'm going to draw is the green pepper. Round it up over here and bring it down about here. I'm going to draw another line from here till about here, or a curved line, to give it a 3D look. Now I'm going to draw the actual one of the beef cubes, which is kind of like a misshaped cube based on how they cut it. I'm going to draw some lines to give it the 3D look. The next thing I'm going to draw is a small piece of onion that they usually put in between these two, the green pepper and the beef cube. Next thing I'm going to do is another green pepper, so it kind of alternates. Give it a 3D look. And then this will be the line to give it that look. And draw the next beef cube. Draw 3 lines over here to give this the look that it's also 3D. Because it depends on how you put them on the skewer. The first time I ever seen one of these was on an Emirates airline flight when I was flying somewhere, and this was the first thing they served for lunch. That's how I remember this. So it was a really nice experience eating this at 35,000 feet high. So the next thing I'm going to draw is another green pepper. I think besides making these videos, I think the part of the coloring is also the fun part to do, because you can really give it any color you want. And like for this, I'm thinking obviously the color of beef, and then for the peppers I'm going to try maybe like the green, reds, yellow, and see how it looks. Draw another beef cube. This is another thing, if you're on the keto diet, I think, or Atkins, this is a food they usually recommend to have in stock to eat, because it's easy to put together and then just real simple to throw on the grill. And I think what's nice about it is, like, you know, the alternating colors that you have in it, so that's what makes it appealing to eat. So now I'm going to draw another green pepper. Give this also a nice 3D look. And just make some lines over here. If anybody's wondering if they see this lines, this is because I've already to prepare for these videos, I already draw out the image that I want to draw for you guys ahead of time, and then just reduce the opacity, so that way it helps me in talking to the camera or to my phone as to how I'm going to make this video, so I don't get carried away. Anyway, I'm gonna do the next beef cube. That's just something I wanted to tell you guys, just in case somebody was wondering. They were like, how is this a YouTube how to draw video if you're gonna just be doing this? Well, the drawing is already done by me, so I'm just helping somebody else out there draw it in an easy way. And draw these lines now to give it that nice 3D look. And then I'm gonna draw the last green pepper, or it might end up being an onion, whichever. Give it that 3D look. Now I'm gonna draw the bottom of the skewer. In some places when they make this, they also use stainless steel skewers, but for this one I'm drawing the wooden disposable ones that you can use. And there we have it, people, our lovely beef skew. So for the next part of this video, I'm just going to do a time lapse and color this in. So thanks for watching and following along, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.